This is lesson 2 in my Off-Road 101 series, and it's all about trail planning. You need to plan your trail. You can't just go out and hope for the best. I mean, you could, but you might have some negative things go on. You might have repair issues. You might get in over your head. I mean, this is the reason, right? Like, say you go out on a trail. One, you don't know how far it is to get out there. Maybe the trail takes longer than you expected, or you get into a situation that's a lot more difficult than your Jeep can handle or your other vehicle can handle. You're gonna wanna know that before you go. Like, I never go on a trail that I don't know that I can already handle because I've done the proper research. That's a big mistake I see a lot of newbies doing. I'm out on the trail in my, built Gladiator here, and I see some bone stock vehicle that inevitably has to like turn around or can't make it or get stuck. So you're gonna wanna have an app like a Trails Off-Road. So if you go to their website, get their app, it's gonna give you all the trails in the area, which is just amazing. So it gives you ideas to pull from. And then they have trail videos and guides. It also tells you how difficult the trails are. It even suggests the type of vehicle to use. It tells you issues to look out for, like is there pinstriping, is there off camber, deep sand. So it gives you all the information about a trail. So it lets you know, okay, can I handle the trail? Am I comfortable doing it? It tells you where it is, how to get to the first waypoint. It tells you how long the trail is going to take. Now that's very important because if you're going on a 2-hour trail versus an 8-hour trail, you're going to need to know how much water you're going to bring, how many snacks you're going to bring. You got to let people know where you're going to be. So there's just so many factors and reasons you need to do this and do your research before, because it is a safety issue. Even if you're going on an easy trail, but it's an 8-9 hour trail and you didn't realize that till you get in, you might not have enough fuel. You might not have enough food. Again, I kind of said this before, but you want to tell someone where you're going as well. Give them your plan when you're going on a trail. I always tell my wife where I'm going. I give her a plan. I've actually got a GPS communication device that I can kind of talk to her even if I have no service, because a lot of times when you're out on these trails, you will not have service. So again, kind of back to the app, what I like to do, I have Trails Off-Road. I pay for the service and I get the online maps, but in offline modes. You can download the Arizona maps or any state you're in. And so even when you're out in the country with no service, you can still follow the waypoints of the trail from your phone, which is super nice. I mean, guys, I can't stress enough, planning is so important. I used to just go out willy-nilly and just do whatever. I've been on the trail and people are like getting lost. I was in Moab recently and some guy was like, hey, do you know the way back? It's funny because like looking at his Jeep, he had all the badge of honors, a whole bunch more stuff done to his Jeep. Like this guy's gone a ton, yet he skipped what I consider lesson 2, which is getting one of these apps and pre-planning your trip so you don't get lost, because he was lost. Please get one of the apps, either Onyx, Trails Off-Road. They're not paying me. I just love them. They work really well. Let me know if you have any questions below. And guys, veterans out there, anyone who's done things, if I missed anything, I probably have. If you start with these basic things, you are going to thank me later. And please subscribe for more. We got many more lessons coming up, so you don't want to miss one. Thanks.